How long does it actually take to become a professional wall printer? Can you really start earning money without any technical background or graphic design experience? These are some of the most common questions we get, so let me give you the real answer. And if you don't know me yet, hi, I'm Rafa from Wall Printers, and this is our FAQ series, where we answer the questions you ask us most often about wall printing. Many people who want to enter the wall printing industry, whether they're entrepreneurs starting another business or simply individuals launching their first business, worry about the same thing, that they need specialized technical knowledge or graphic design skills. They wonder how long they'll have to study before they can start earning money from wall printing. The good news is that the process of getting into the wall printing industry is much simpler and faster than it might seem. Let's break it down. You don't need any specialized skills to begin your wall printing journey.
Oh, yeah!
You don't need to be a graphic designer, a technician, or have experience in interior finishing. We'll teach you everything during our onboarding program. All you really need is basic computer skills, willingness to learn, and that's an important one, some entrepreneurial mindset or business thinking. When you decide to purchase from us at Wall Printers, you're not just buying a machine, you're buying a complete business concept and full implementation that will help you quickly start operating in this industry. Think of it this way. Most people buy equipment and then spend months figuring out how to make money with it. We flip that around. Before your printer even arrives, you'll know exactly how to price your services, where to find clients, and how to handle your first project professionally. You'll have everything mapped out. The technical stuff, the business side, even the tricky situations that come up in real projects. This comprehensive onboarding program consists of several key elements. First, you'll receive extensive educational materials. This includes the Wall Printer's Handbook, a comprehensive guide that contains all the essential information about the printer, its operation, and capabilities. It's your knowledge compendium that you can always refer to. We've also prepared a series of instructional videos that show you step-by-step how to operate the printer and solve the most common issues you might encounter. But one of the most important elements of our offer is the How to Make Money with Wall Printing course. This course shows you step-by-step how to build smart marketing and conduct conscious sales activities. You'll learn how to acquire customers, how to price your services, and how to effectively sell wall printing services. It's a comprehensive tool that will help you quickly develop your business. Thanks to this knowledge, you'll be able to start building the foundation of your business and launch your marketing activities even before receiving your printer. You get access to all these materials immediately after signing the contract, and we recommend starting your learning right away so that when you come for technical training, you'll already have basic knowledge about the printer. That way, you'll get much more out of the training. Speaking of training, during our several-hour training session, we'll teach you printer operation from the ground up. We'll show you how to prepare the machine for work, how to print on different surfaces, and how to maintain the equipment so it serves you as long as possible. If you want to learn more about our complete package, pricing, and get detailed information about everything that's included in our offer, fill out the form on our website. Link is in the description. You'll also be able to speak with our client advisor to discuss any specific questions about your situation. From a technical standpoint, most of our clients are ready to handle their first commercial jobs within 1 to 2 weeks of receiving their printer. Of course, like in any business, you'll gain more experience and confidence over time, but you'll master the basics really quickly. What's important is that we don't leave you on your own after the training ends. You have constant access to our technical support, as well as to the community of other wall printers where you can exchange experiences and inspiration. The time needed to acquire business knowledge depends on how quickly you go through our materials. We recommend dedicating the first few weeks to intensive learning and starting your activities, but of course everything depends on your preferences and possibilities. Keep in mind that the pace will vary depending on your background. Someone who already runs multiple businesses will move through the materials differently than someone starting their very first business. The learning doesn't stop after those first few weeks. What we've found is that our most successful clients are those who stay engaged with the learning process beyond just the initial setup. They're the ones actively participating in our community, asking questions, and adapting their approach as they gain more experience in the field. As you can see, entering the wall printing industry is much simpler than it might seem. Thanks to our comprehensive onboarding program, you can quickly become a professional wall printer, even if you've been doing something completely different until now. Check out more videos from our FAQ series in the playlist that will appear next to this video, and of course, subscribe to our channel to stay updated and see more videos about wall printing. See you next time.